Hello viewers, welcome back to Education Today. I'm your anchor. My name is Olifatul Azam Sakib.
And my name is Yusuf Altaf Al Farouk.
Uh, Today we are going to follow the incredible journey of ID and backpacker school students who are traveling across 20 countries in just 1 year.
This is not just about sightseeing or taking photos. It is a journey of learning, discipline, faith, culture, and adventure.
Right now, they are in their 15th country, Saudi Arabia, having previously explored Malaysia, Egypt, Morocco, and European countries and Turkey. Each country offers its own lesson, challenge, and experience, and every day is a new adventure.
And daily routine, even as backpacker, their day is structure and discipline, just like a school day. Their morning begin very early, usually around 5 until 5:30, 4 until 4:30 a.m. Depending on the Fajr prayer time in the country. The first activity is Fajr prayer, followed by Halaqah Al-Quran, where they recite the Al-Quran together, correct tajweed, memorize verse, uh, reflect on the meanings. meanings. The spiritual session sets the tone for the day, no matter where they are in the world.
After Halako, they prepare for school lesson, which include networking or IT infrastructure, studying IP address, about networking or coding, and English language, and then Dinia, like Fiqh, history, and Islamic civilization, and leadership, public speaking, general subject like math, science, and communication.
The classroom are flexible. They study in hostel, cafe, mosque. Afternoon for exploration, cultural immersion, and documenting travel. They visit landmark, interact with local, try new food, and sometimes volunteer in country.
Their journey began in Malaysia, exploring both cities and nature. Uh, Visited the Petronas Twin Tower, one of the tallest twin towers in the world, a modern architectural marvel. A limestone hill with a giant Hindu temple inside, the colorful stair and golden skirt made it memorable. A highland resort with cable cars, cold weather, and panoramic view above the clouds. Malaysia gave them lesson on balancing tradition with modernity.
The second is Morocco. In Morocco, they experience Islamic culture and history in North Africa. In the Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca, one of the largest mosques in the world, partially over the Atlantic Ocean with a 200 meters minaret, historical forest and beach, explored all forests, coastal cities, and local market, learning about Morocco's trade, defense, and culture. Morocco taught them how history, faith, and art, architecture, architecture in intertwined.
And the third in Egypt. They visited Al Azhar Mosque and University over 1,000 years old. Walking through its halls, they feel connected to countries of Islamic scholarship. Egypt also taught them about the resilience and legacy of Islamic civilization.
For East Europe, traveling through 9 European countries, they explore castle, place, and museum, and historic town squares, Roman, Renaissance, and modern art architecture, and monument from world wars. Every corner tells a story about human civilization.
And then in Turkey, they visited Hagia Sophia, originally a Byzantine church, later a mosque, then museum, and now a mosque again. Uh, Blue Mosque, famous for its unique tiles, Ottoman domes, and grandeur. Praying here connected them to countries of Islamic history and the Ottoman legacy.
Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabia offered a spiritual peak in their journey. The first is Umrah at Masjid Al Haram, experiencing prayer around the Kaaba. Second is Masjid An Nabawi, Madinah, visiting the Prophet Muhammad SAW resting place. The third is Mount Uhud, learning about the Battle of Uhud and the sacrifice of the Prophet champions. They also visit the Chular Mosque in the world, deepening both spiritual awareness and understanding of Islamic history.
Uh, this journey is not just sightseeing. It teaches discipline, time management, time, work, and leadership, cultural understanding, adaptability, spiritual growth, reflection, networking, and also programming, technical knowledge, update globality, from Fajar Prem to Halakha, IT laser, exploring landmark and praying in holy mosque every day is a lesson.
For Malaysia, Egypt, Morocco, Europe, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, with 5 countries still ahead, these journey countries. Education happens everywhere, in classroom, street, mosque, mountain, and ocean. And travel is not just about the place you visit, it's about the person you become while seeing them.
And thank you for
Thank
joining
you
us.
for joining us.
See you in the next
See you in the next
video.
Assalamualaikum.
And say
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.